Today we are in the popular Bukit Batok estate, and we have with us an extremely spacious, hard-to-come-by executive apartment. I'm Noelle, and before we head on to the apartment, let's take a look at what we have in the estate. Located at Block 290B Bukit Batok Street 24, there are many neighbourhood conveniences in the area. We have a coffee shop and 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 supermarket right across the road. Or you can take a short walk to Bukit Batok East Point. 2 bus stops away brings you to a full-fledged mall, the West Mall, and the Bukit Batok MRT station. For family with kids, we have the popular 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 Primary just across the road and Princess Elizabeth Primary within the 2-kilometer radius. Now we are at this high-floor 141 square meter executive home. Before we begin the home tour, let's take a look at the clever renovation the owner has done. Where I'm standing used to be the storeroom, where the owner has relocated it to the kitchen to cater for a more open space and regular shaped area. So in this open space area, you can place your piano, have your dining area here, or simply convert it into a children's play area. As we enter the kitchen, you will see the storeroom on your left, and this has been relocated from the main hall area into the kitchen. As we move further in, you will notice a lot of storage space that the owner has catered for. And what I really like is that the main cooking area has been shifted into the service balcony nearer to the window, so you don't have to worry about ventilation when you do your heavier cooking. In the living and dining area, the owner has converted the balcony into indoor space to cater to a larger living area. Apart from the usual living room furniture, the owner has also placed a 6-seater dining table over here. Here we are at the study. It's so spacious here you can let your creative mind run wild. You can leave it as a study like how it is now, or you can convert it into a bedroom. There's plenty of space for a double bed, a built-in wardrobe, and a study table. Or you can convert it to a children's playroom. The master bedroom comes with a king-size bed and plenty of walking space. The owner has also catered a huge wardrobe behind me, which comes with a dressing table. If you need a lot of wardrobe space, this is perfect for you. The 2 other common rooms are also massive in size. Both are able to fit king-size bed with ample walking space. We've come to the end of the home tour. If you require a home that is spacious with an efficient layout, this executive apartment is perfect for you. Once again, I'm Noelle. Call me for your exclusive viewing. Thank you and see you soon.